Are you encountering the try searching to get started issue on YouTube, where you're not seeing any videos on your homepage? Don't worry, it's a common problem with a simple solution. To begin, open the YouTube mobile app and tap on the search button at the top right. Search for any channel you like and watch at least 5 or 6 of their videos. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel if you haven't already. Repeat this process for another channel, watching their videos and subscribing to them as well. The more you engage with content on YouTube by searching and watching videos, the better YouTube becomes at recommending videos suited to your tastes. After doing these steps for 1 or 2 days, YouTube will start recommending videos based on the content you watch, populating your homepage with tailored recommendations. Essentially, when you see the try searching to get started message, YouTube is encouraging you to explore and find videos that interest you. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.